This verse describes a fundamental quality of the true believers. Allah states that the rightly guided are those who believe in what has been revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and in what was revealed before him. This belief reflects a comprehensive faith that connects all divine revelations into one continuous message of truth. A true believer does not discriminate between prophets or divine books. Instead, he acknowledges that all messengers were sent by the same God, and that their teachings shared the same core message: worship of Allah alone and accountability in the hereafter. The Quran confirms and completes the guidance that was revealed earlier, serving as the final criterion of truth. A remarkable aspect of this verse is the use of the word yaqeen, certainty, for the hereafter, instead of iman, belief. This distinction is profound. Faith may begin with acceptance, but certainty is a deeper state in which doubt and speculation are removed from the heart. A person may believe in something without full certainty, but when belief matures into certainty, it transforms character and behavior. Certainty in the hereafter means living with full awareness that life does not end with death. Such a person remains conscious of accountability, reward, and punishment. This conviction restrains one from injustice, dishonesty, and moral corruption, and inspires patience, sincerity, and righteousness. According to Tadabbur-e-Quran by Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi, the mention of yaqeen after describing practical qualities of believers indicates that true certainty is reflected through actions. Those who possess these qualities are in reality the ones who are truly certain of the hereafter. This certainty perfects their faith